I am more into the marketing and sales of imfuyo esinayo, also trying to diversify and ukwandisa imfuyo, but then trying to accommodate the demand okanye the market that we have within the region that we're in. Like, we come from a very farming background. Utamkhulu wami ngumlimi wakwa agriculture. My mom was a teacher. When she retired, she got into farming, but then she was also involved with environmental studies, okanye environmental background when she was teaching. So I think ubufama and sikhulele ezilalini, so indaba yemfuyo into esikhule nayo. I never studied farming, but then I love the environment. I love ubona into isencinci uyikhulise. But I fell in love, falling in love with the farming for me was breeding dogs and rearing inkomo. I think 2012, if I'm not mistaken, I was awarded Young Female Farmer of the Year, Mrs. Chapa, Mama Chapa, as they say, Minister, I think, or MEC, wakwa agriculture. Back then, Senditenga amatole or 3-day-old amatole, ndiwakhulise, which is rearing upon with agriculture edutywa. They taught me how to dehorn, so ndiyakwazi uzidihonela itole, ndiyakwazi udipha, ndiyakwazi udofa. Farming has been something that I just learned along the way with a passion and desire for imfuyo. At the moment, we are doing inkomo, we've got inguni, we've got Bosmaros, which we were given or funded by the Department of Agriculture. We've got Iagu, so we're trying to actually push organic piggery farming on the side. We've got Igusha, Ibokwe, and that is going back. Like we talk about diversifying with the area that we're in. So amasiko into enkulu kweli, so Ibokwe, there's a huge demand of Ibokwe. We've got chickens and we've got turkeys as well. So going forward, so we're looking into starting ukutyala iluseni, feed basically for inkomo zethu.
Lo myalezo niuphathelwe liSebe lezoLimo.